everyone. I'm very happy to be here today to release this book by Sri Bijay Kumar Rankhor. It's his autobiography, and the name of the book is A Never Ending Journey. This is the first part. There will be another part to it. I'm really honored and happy that we have amongst us a person who has fought for Tripura, for preserving the identity of our people, to fight for the land rights of our people, right from the early days. And then, of course, he became a part of the electoral system once he joined politics. And he is now associated with Tipra Motha as well as the president. So this book is going to be very interesting for all of us because it will talk about his life, what he did, and it will also inspire us to know about the problems we had in Tripura in the past. History teaches us to learn from our mistakes. And, today we are better off because of people like Sri Rankhor and some other freedom fighters. I would call them freedom fighters because they gave up the pleasures of their life. When they were young, they gave up all that luxurious life, a comfortable life, to be in the forest, to fight for our people's rights. And so I'm sure all of us are going to benefit greatly from this book. And I would advise you to have a look at this, especially youngsters today. We have a lot to learn from his life. And saying this, I wish Sri Rankhor ji all the very best. And I hope many more copies of this will be sold. I hear 5,000 copies have been brought out. And if anybody requires more, I'm sure he'll be able to tell you where to get them. So kindly purchase these and have a glimpse of the life that we had when Bijay Kumar Rankhor ji was young. Thank you very much. खुलुमखा। हमारा मैसेज ये है कि जब तक किसी का लाइफ में कोई ऑब्जेक्टिव नहीं होता है, हम लोग आगे नहीं बढ़ सकते हैं। तो श्री विजय कुमार रांखोर जी का भी एक ऑब्जेक्टिव था लाइफ में कि वो हमारे लोगों को सर्व करे, हमारे लोग के लिए जो मुश्किलें थी उस जमाने में, उस समय में इन्फ्लक्स और रेफ्यूजी प्रॉब्लम और बहुत सारे ऐसे कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स होते थे, तो उन्होंने जो भी कुछ किया उस समय उनके लिए जो सही था उन्होंने वो किया। तो अभी के ज़माने में एजुकेशन एंड इलेक्टोरल प्रोसेस, trying to be independent on your own, ये सब भी तरीका है for us to be on our feet and to help develop Tripura. So he also tried to develop Tripura by preserving our culture and our people and our land. So the main thing is, the motto is कि हमारे लाइफ में एक ऑब्जेक्टिव होना चाहिए, तभी जाके हम लोग आगे बढ़ सकते हैं. And this book will also teach us that very same fact. Thank you.